The big snowfall. It's been, God, what time is it? Oh, there's a guy plowing the sidewalk. That's awesome. I've never seen that before. It's been about 4 hours since the snow started falling, and there is easily, God, I don't know, 8 inches of snow or so. Pretty nuts. Yeah, there's a ton of snow. There's where I need to go. Side streets, quite a bit of snow too. Trains supposedly had plows on them today. I guess I should have taken a look at the one that just went by. Oh, here comes one. Let's see if I can see. I don't know. Temperature's nice. Gosh, I love running in this stuff. Maybe I'll go for a run. This stuff is fun. All right. Toodles.